today. You can see that they're starting to put up some of their Halloween stuff. I think these are really cute for trick-or-treating. So those two are different, and then these are the same. Same with these bags, they're also the same. And then these are also treat bags. They're small. This one says, be blessed, be thankful. That's really cute for Dollar Tree. This pumpkin. This one is ceramic or glass. I like this rose gold one. And then I love these. It's cloth. I don't know what material that is. Faux wool. They got gray, pink, beige, and then a light blue. Oh, they actually have way more colors. Oh, these are cute, like a burlap. How cute. And then these pumpkin picks. And then these ones right here. These kind of look like real pumpkins. These look very high quality. Like this decor. And these are really cute. You can like make your own snow globe, or I don't know if it's leak proof, but those are cute. What are these? I think this is a candle holder. Wow, that looks very nice. And these are so cute. And this is for like candles. This is plastic. It looks nicer than it feels. I love this name brand headband. This one is so cute. They also have these scrunchies. They're also name brand. This butterfly clip is really cute, but it kind of feels a little cheap. This is cute. This like fuzzy clip. Some of these clips. These are name brand. This pink one is really cute. And these mini ones are really cute. Every time I'm in Dollar Tree, I always look at their fans. They always have really cute ones here. I always have to see if there's one that I really like. I have this one. I have a bunch of them at home. I have the red one. That one's really pretty. Which one's your favorite? Which one do you guys like the best? This is really cute. You can put it up as decor, and then they have the little witch hat. Ooh, they have different colors. That's really cute. It See, this side is a little more stocked up. I wanted to show you guys these ornaments right here. They're always going to be sold out very quickly. So if you see them and you want to decorate like a Halloween tree, make sure you grab them really quickly. Especially these mini ones. These mini ones always sell out very quickly. These bows are really cute. They have a little skull on them. They have orange and purple, and then they have spiders that are different colors. You can decorate like your wreath with it. These picks are cute. And then these are little broom picks. Okay, these are really cute. These are little Halloween tattoos. They have different kinds. Oh no, this is leather. What would you make with that? And then we have these 3D stickers. Different metals that say haunted, spooky, beware. These potion bottles are really cute. You can like decorate your stuff with that. And we have little mini pumpkins, lots of different colors. You got purple, silver, orange. These are really cute for kids to decorate for Halloween. This one says Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. And the pumpkin. This is the witch. Oh, this is a skeleton. That's cute. It's a mask. That's really cute for kids to do. They have a boy one and a girl one. And then this massive haunted house. The ghost. There's a skull. This Dollar Tree is very packed with the fall stuff. You got it all over the wall and this aisle too. Such cute stuff. And these can be like little coasters, or you can decorate them for your walls. This is a mesh too. Some of y'all can be so creative. I don't know what you guys do with all these, but I love it. I love the different things that Dollar Tree offers. These tiny pumpkins are so cute. Scarecrow hats. And they have different colored pumpkins, and then they have the faux leather leaves. This would be really cute for a craft for kids. And then these color leaves. How adorable are these little trucks? They have red, they have blue. These pumpkins are so cute. These sunflowers. Oh my gosh, these little tiny acorns. I love it. And these glitter picks. These really pretty 3D stickers. Those are going to be cool for... These signs are so cute. This one says, be thankful, happy fall, pumpkin spice and everything nice. And then these monogram leaves. They're so cute. You can get your family initial. LED lights. And these little pumpkins. I don't know about those. How cute are these little mini gnomes? I love them. They're so cute. More pumpkins. Ooh, this one's heavy. This one's really heavy. This one says great fall and thankful. These signs are really cute. It says thankful, autumn. This would be really cute craft for kids. It's a DIY turkey, and then they have an owl. That's so cute. And then they also have these different paint sets. Give thanks. They have a bunch of different kinds of pumpkins. This is really cute. You can like write your family name on there. That's so cute. This acorn. Oh, look at that fox. Cute. And this little scarecrow. My heart is on the field. Fantasy football legend. Pumpkin kisses and autumn harvest. Or no, and harvest wishes. Hello, pumpkin. Those are cute. I really like these signs. They look like they cost way more than $1. That one too. That one's really cute. And that one says welcome. How cute is that? To put on your door? I might have to get that one. That's cute. These pumpkins are so cute. They're like glittery, kind of. They have green, orange, like more of a dark orange. So cute. I think that's all the colors they have. I love these. They have blue, and this black one is so cute. I like that one a lot. And they have orange. And then they have these like velvet pumpkins and these faux leather pumpkins. I actually bought 3 of these in 3 different colors. I didn't get the gray one. I got like the brown, beige, and like typical orange color. Last time I was at Dollar Tree. Those are that burlap. Okay, these are really cute. These Hello Pumpkin picks for outside. They have different monogram decor. I think they're so cute. This one's really cute. And they also have these little pumpkins. I love it. It's so cute. It looks like it would be like way more than $1, right? I mean, it's cheap material, but it's still nicely like made. Oh, that one is a bike. It says "Big thanks." And there's a scarecrow that says welcome. These are really cute for decor, or you can put like sand in there or anything, I don't know. There's different kinds of vases. I don't think I've ever seen this one, the shape. And then they have little ones too. Is this a vase? Looks more like a cup. Yeah, this is plastic. So is this. And then the glasses, these are always here. And the sand. And more decorative rocks. This one feels really nice. It's kind of like a velvet, but it's got like really pretty fall colors. It feels really like good quality. This one's really cute. And this one is like a satin. These look really yummy and healthy. They have, it's just like banana puree and mango puree. And it's no added sugar. This would be really good for toddlers or if you have kids or even for yourself. I've never tried them. Let me know if those are good.